In this video, I'm going to show you how to make reposts private on TikTok. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is to go open our TikTok application. And from here, you can see your home page. So now we can see there are 5 sections in the bottom part of our screen. We want to go to our profile. And again, there are 5 sections here. We want to select the third one, which is our repost sections. So as you can see, you have a post here that you reposted. If you want to hide this repost, what we want to do is to go tap on these 3 lines in the upper right side of our screen. Now you want to select settings and privacy. Now from here, you can see here in the account section, we can see the privacy option. I want to tap on that. And now we want to scroll down until we find the repost setting or the repost privacy setting. In my case, I don't have that option because it's still not supported in my country or in my region. But if you see a repost option there, you just want to tap on it and set it to private. And again, if you can't see a repost section there, make sure that your TikTok application is up to date. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.